Hey guys, welcome back to in the previous clip, the poor video them, I don't know where them disappear gone. And I decided to just drop this in as a little bonus video. Yes. And guys, I just want to say thank you all for supporting us. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the share. Thank you for the comments. Even for 1 views we get, we really and truly appreciate it. We disappear for 3 weeks and I still decide to watch our videos. So thank you all for every single body we ever support, with a friend, family, stranger. I just want to say